Very good evening to everyone. I hope everyone is doing great.
Good evening. Yeah,
Good,
good evening. Good evening, sir. Yeah.
good evening. Good evening. So let us start the today's session. So far, six people joined. So let them join in between. Uh, so let me share my screen and we'll begin the session. So I'm recording the session. So I'll be providing you the recording also. So just confirm me. Is it my trading view screen is visible for you
Yes, sir,
guys?
absolutely.
Okay. 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 So let me take a big pen also. Also, one more confirmation. Can you able to see the drawing in the screen?
Yes.
Okay, great, great. All right, let's begin. Let's begin the session. So, uh, so what we are going to discuss today is we are going to discuss a few things about the maybe the indicators, how we can use the indicators, and apart from that, we will also try to understand the breaker block, mitigation block once again, uh, bit bit detailed manner, and we will also discuss about the plan. What do you need to do for the next 1 month or next 3 month? What should be the plan before you jump into the funded account? So we'll discuss about that, and of course, if anything is left over, no, we will again we'll discuss. We'll try to clarify those things. We will conduct separate doubt clearing session. Okay, so that maybe we can do by next to next week. So we'll take 1 week gap. So we'll do the one doubt clearing session, one summary session as well as doubt clearing session. That is separate. Okay, so let us start. Let us start from the few indicators I would like to share with you guys. I personally I don't use any indicators, to be frank. I'm not the fan of indicators. The reason why is some indicators, most of the time indicators are lagging, but at the same time indicators created based on the mathematics. Okay, it is not like it is not some software and giving some XYZ signal. It is not like that. It's based on the mathematics, based on the data. So sometimes indicators do work, and uh, indicator may not able to predict the what you call the future, but it can able to give you some perception, and using that you can able to trade. Many people still use indicators. I'm also suggesting you can also use indicator, but I don't use indicators. I don't personally like to use indicators, but you can use if you want. If you are comfortable with indicators, you can definitely use the indicators. But you have to be ready to face the consequences, because sometimes indicators can give you the false signals also. Okay, so that is completely your choice. So few indicators I'm gonna give you, and so what you need to do, you need to combine the indicator with smart money strategy. So you should always trade with a combination of smart money strategy with the indicators. You should never use indicator alone. Okay, so that is not advisable. But if you know smart money strategy, you can combine the indicators, you can use it. The most important thing here is I would like to call certain indicators which is very powerful. To be frank, that is not an indicator. That is a kind of a tool that is called market profile tool. Okay, market profile, or we can call this a volume profile. Volume profile. Profile. Sometimes people call this as a order flow software. Order flow software. Order flow softwares are very costly. There is a famous order flow software called Bell TPO. Bell TPO. There is a software called Bell TPO, which cost 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees you need to pay for getting that software for one license. for only one computer. Um, and this is very costly software, uh, which is famously used by most of the what do you call the, the fund managers, as well as the brokers. Most of the brokers use bill depot software, and using that software only they will be giving you the signals. Now if you are part of any telegram group in which the signals will be giving, right, bank nifty, nifty 50 signals they'll be giving, subscription based signal services. So all those things are based on the bell depot software only. Bell depot software will give you the signals, it will give you the smart money level. Using that level they'll be giving you the buy sell signals. And so by the way, you will be also entering, and you can able to make money. So but the software cost is very costly, and most of the times these softwares very good if you are using, if you are trading Indian market, if you are trading nifty 50, bank nifty, stocks, uh, some gold futures, crude oil futures, something like that, Indian markets. In that situation, maybe you can purchase the software, you can use it. But forex market, it's completely different, different what do you call, different beast. So it don't have any centralized exchange, right? Whereas the stock market have the centralized exchange, like NSE, BSE kind of exchanges are there. So forex market don't have the exchanges, so you don't need to spend your money for getting this indicator or getting this software, because there is no centralized agency. Nobody is controlling the forex market. So so volume and the volatility is completely organic, to be frank. So these softwares are not necessary, but however, there are free indicators, there are free tools available, you can make a use of, right? When it something is free, no, you can make a use of it. So I don't know how many of you watched the video, but I have shared you the back testing, how to do the back testing with the Go chatting platform. So in that Go chatting platform, if you go, you can access the market profile, volume profile software for free. I mean, there is a paid version also available, but free version also, it's more than enough. So go to the Google, search Go chatting platform, Go chatting, Go chatting. If you go to the Go chatting, if you go, it's a paid, it has a paid version, it has a free version. If you want, you can purchase the paid version also. Paid version is, I think, 1500 rupees. Every month you need to pay 1500 rupees. It's a kind of subscription. Okay, so I think I have not logged in. You need to log in with your email ID, whatever email ID you have. Okay, so if you go pricing, no, you can see the pricing. If you click the pricing, depends upon which market you are going to trade. You need to pay the money, monthly subscription. So you can see, if you are going to trade only Indian market, Indian stock market, for options, something like that. If you are going to trade only stock market, no, 500 rupees plan you can purchase if you want. Okay, I'm not having this subscription. If you are going to trade the options and NSE premium, no, you can purchase this also. This is very beautiful application, to be frank, because it's going to give you the volume. Based on the volume, you can able to trade the market. So if you want, you can purchase, but you have to know how market works. After that only you need to purchase. Okay, there is a USA market also there. If you are trading with if you are looking for trading the US stocks, so you can purchase that also. Crypto and forex also there here. If you click crypto and forex, you can see currency premium is there. This is also 1200 rupees, but my suggestion is don't purchase this. If you are going to trade only crypto, only forex market, don't purchase this, because it's not necessary. Why it is not necessary? Because forex market have a different exchanges, whereas these platforms give you only data from a particular exchange. So most of the times the data will be similar, but sometimes it is not useful, to be frank. But if you are going to trade Indian market, of course you can purchase this, but forex market it is not necessary. Okay, you can use the free version. Free version is more than enough. Let's go to the Go chatting homepage, and if you go to the products, click the products, you can see the charts. Click that, and once you click the chart, you will get immediately, you will get what you call the Nifty 50 screen. because usually it will be in Indian market because we are in India, right? So that's the reason. So just give me a second. Okay, so Nifty 50, it will show Nifty 50. So remove the Nifty 50, you put Euro USD, or maybe any currencies you want, Euro USD, gold, silver, whatever. So if you put Euro USD, and most of the time it will be giving you the what do you call the data from, there is a particular exchange. The exchange name is, you can see here, OANDA, ONDA. I don't know how to pronounce that. OANDA. From that exchange, this data is, they are taking the data. So usually if you go to the trading, view, if you click search option, no, if you like just Euro USD, you can see that the second option called second Euro USD, it says OANDA, right? This is the exchange. This is from this exchange the data is taken. Okay, so the same exchange only, Go Charting also giving the data. That's why it says OANDA here. Okay, so all currencies, most of the currencies data, this data, up and down movement data, right? It's taken from this particular exchange. So that's the reason I'm telling. Say for example, if you are having account with OctaFX, OctaFX may get data from different exchange, right? So if you purchase this Go Charting platform, no, it is useless, to be frank. But you can have an idea. And using that idea, you can trade in your particular broker account or particular funded account. So now let's see here. I have a candlesticks chart, and it's an usual trading view kind of chart, right? You can see 1 hour chart here. You can see 4 hour chart, 12 hour chart, daily chart, whatever, any chart you want, you can take. Mostly it works with the forex market without any paid subscription. Okay, so let us delete everything. So now you have a data. Now you have a candlesticks chart. Now usually what we will do, we will mark WBW, right? Let's take a 1 hour chart. We'll mark WBW. So how we will do, like for example like this. So we have a wick broken by the wick. Let's take this one, WBW here. We do have a breakout structure, WBW, breakout structure, and we do have one more breakout structure that is here, right? So what happened? Market fell down, came back, touched, and fell down. So it is worked here, right? So usually swing points will be respected. We'll be taking a sell entry, or depends upon the swing point, we'll be taking the buy entry. So it worked here, right? So now what you can do with this Go Charting platform, this order flow softwares. Order flow softwares, the purpose of the order flow software is, it is going to give you the volume of the market. There is a two aspects of the market. There is a price aspect and volume aspect. There is one more aspect, time aspect. Time aspect is a really broader aspect. I'm not equipped enough to discuss about the time aspect right now, but in the future I'll be talking about the time aspect also. But volume aspect, price aspect. What is volume aspect? If you are buying something, you will be buying at specific price, at specific quantity you buy, right? So very simple. If you buy any vegetables, you ask for the price, how much is 1 kg tomato. So depends upon the price, you may buy 1 kg tomato or 2 kg tomato. Okay, depends upon the price. Generally depends upon the price, depends upon the need also, necessity also. So depends upon the price, volume is determined. Depends upon the needs also, volume is determined. Okay, how many kilogram rice you are going to buy, how many liters of oil you are going to buy. That is depends upon the price as well as depends upon the need. Okay, I'm talking about the general thing. But in market also same thing works. If price is cheaper, more people will be buying, more quantity will be buying, more quantity movement will be happening. If price is costly, less quantity will be buying, right? So vice versa for the selling. So volume also play the role in the market. So we need to understand how much volume activity has happened at particular price point. That is going to help us a lot. Now what do you mean by that? So say for example, if you are like if you are marking certain level as a smart money level. For example, this is we are saying this is the smart money level, right? Smart money level means smart money involved here, right? They bought more or they sold more. They involved, their money is involved here. They bought more quantity or they sold more quantity. We don't know. We don't know whether they bought more or we don't know whether they sold more. So to understand how much quantity is traded, how much quantity traded at particular price point, at particular price, how many people bought, how many people sold, how many people bought, how many quantity. So some people can buy micro lots, some people can buy mini lot, some people can buy standard lot, some people can buy 10 standard lot, or some people can buy 1 micro lot, some people can buy 10 micro lot, 20 micro lot, something like that, right? That's called quantity. At particular price, how many quantities traded? At particular price, how many stocks people bought, how many stocks people sold, how many stocks. Okay, not how many people. I'm not talking about the people, I'm talking about the quantity. How much stocks is traded. So that information you can get accurately using the paid softwares like Bell TPO kind of softwares. I mean, not accurately, like 1 minute delayed information you can get, 1 minute, 2 minute delayed information. So what these softwares companies do know, they purchase the data from the market. What market? Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange, whatever. They will buy the data and they provide the data to people like you and me for a paid subscription. Okay, so using that data, no, we can predict the market. We can predict where the smart money involved, where highest quantity is traded. So you can predict the market, but unfortunately it is very costlier to get that. Even the subscription service also very costlier, 2000 rupees, sometimes 1500 rupees, so something like that. So it is your choice, you can buy or you can avoid, that is completely your choice. But now we'll talk about the free service. Okay, so let me delete this, sorry, delete this. So what I'm going to do here is, this is the traditional Euro USD 1 hour chart, right? Now if I go, there is an option called study, FX study, right? FX study. If I go here, click this, you can see multiple options here, but we are looking for order flow. This option called order flow here, right? Order flow. And especially we are looking for order flow. In that order flow, some of them is paid services. I mean, some of them you need to pay, but mostly there will be two things that will be free. That is market profile. You can see market profile here. And also you can see there is a thing called volume profile. There is a two market profiles are there. The first one is always works. Second one, you need to pay. You need to have subscription service. Market profile, volume profile. Okay, volume profile is not much important in my opinion. Market profile is you can use. So click the market profile. As soon as you click this, this is a kind of indicator, or you can say tool or software, whatever. Click, you will get something like this. You can see some ABCD and some green color ABCs. If I zoom in, some green color ABCs, blue color alphabets, and red color alphabets, right? And you have multiple information here. Okay, now what this information is telling you, this is not much detailed manner. It's like what do you call, very minimalistic version, you can say like that. So what this is telling you, this is telling you that wherever the higher number of alphabets, for example here, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, right? 1, 2, but here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Similarly, if you come here in this red color, right, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 alphabets. Okay, as compared with from here to here, in this middle, the red color box, you have a higher number of box or alphabet, right? So what do you mean by that? Simple. Higher the box, higher the quantity traded. High volume activity happened here. Very simple. Okay, not a big deal. Box is higher, right? Red color means high volume area. Of course, everything is high volume. You can see these things also high volume, but especially at this price point. What is this price point? You can see there is a line here, red color line, right? And you can see some price point here, 1.07 07562, right? At this particular price, more volume activities happened. More volume activity. What do you mean by volume activity? More buy or more sell would have happened. We don't know whether it's pure buy, whether it's a pure sell, we don't know. Whether buyers are dominating, sellers are, we don't know. But what we know is at this particular price, many people bought, many people sold. High number of volume activity happened in that particular price. Okay, so what we need to understand, okay, in this level many people traded. At this price many people traded, many people bought, many people sold, they involved. So definitely this is maybe a high volume area, and this may be a smart money level, because only smart money can buy more, right? Only smart money can sell more because they have a capacity. So maybe we can guess that at this level more buy, more sell activities happened. Now why I'm saying guess? Because it's a free version, right? It's not a paid version. If you purchase this order flow software, no, you will get more picture. But we don't want to do that. Why? Because 1500 rupees every month we don't want to spend for the software. Mostly it is not much use in the forex market, but you can guess somewhat. Now take a look at this. Let me close this for a minute. I'm just closing this. Okay, now take a look at this price action. Down, up, down, breakout structure. I have a WBW, I have a swing level, right? That is my selling level, right? As per our strategy we learned so far. What we learned so far? We learned, oh, this is the WBW candle, and that is a breakout structure. Okay, breakout structure, and from here we are going to sell, right? So we decided that well in advance. If I open the order flow software, I mean market profile tool, what you are getting here exactly below this middle candle, you got a line, red line, right? Exactly below a little candle, and you can see here market also touched over there and rejected. Okay, so what you need to understand here is smart money strategy with paid software and smart money strategy going to give you the same result. It's going to give you same result. 95% of time your WBW strategy going to correlate with the order flow software. But the difference between the order flow software and WBW strategies, order flow software is paid software, and you need more. You'll be getting more insights, more data, and more understanding. It's required to understand this order flow software, and also it's a paid software, right? So whereas the smart money strategy is very simple, WBW breakout structure, and you are marking the middle candle, swing point candle, you're going to take a trade from that level. But now by using this free tool, you can have a confidence. For example, I have a swing point here, I have a WBW level here, this is powerful level, I know that, but still I'm lacking confidence. Because I'm not sure whether it's going to work here or not. So when you plot market profile tool, what is your market profile tool telling? Market profile tool telling is this level is powerful level. So the same level as per your WBW you marked. Now market profile telling this level, and your WBW strategy also saying this level. So both is kind of correlating. So now you can confidently trade from that level. Okay, so for that it is useful. Okay, right, let's go back a little bit. Do we have any other levels here? So you can see here multiple levels are plotted here. There's a level showing here, right? You can see easily it is telling this is the powerful level. 1.08934, it's a powerful level. Now you are not going to blindly trade from those levels. You are looking for market profiles, what do you call the what market profile is telling you, and is it combining, is it matching with your smart money strategy. So look for that. According to that you can trade. Okay, so similarly, if I go a little bit back, you can see many times it would have worked, sometimes it would have failed also because of the free version, right? It's a free version. See here in this area it shows this is the powerful price point, right? This swing point is a powerful swing point. So what happened here, if I just go in the future, market exactly from this swing level, that price point, it touched here and gone down, right? You can see you have a swing point here, you have a swing point here, but this swing point only worked. I think this, yeah, no, let's mark this, let's delete this, let's move this. So there is a swing point here, so worked here, it worked here also, 2 times it worked, right? It touched here, touched here. If I switch on the market profile, somewhere here it is showing that also highest volume, high volume activity happened here at this red color line. So you can see both are kind of very near to near, right? Of course it's worked from the swing level, but you can have an idea, okay, there is a high volume level here, okay, there is a high volume level here, and we have a WBW level here, okay, then this level is powerful level. That's what happened here. Market came here, it is touched the high volume level, it also touched the swing level and went down. Okay, so each candle is 1 hour. So you can use this for getting an idea where is the high volume activity happened, which candle, at which candle more buy, more sell activities happened. You can get that using this software. Of course it's a free version, so it may have some flaws. You need to accept that, because it's an indicator, right? It can give you the false signals also, but most of the times comparing with the traditional indicators, it is good. Okay, so you can use this indicator using the Go Charting's platform. Let's take a gold. I'm taking a gold. So I'm just switching off the indicators first. So if I see the gold here, sorry, candlestick chart, yeah. So as of now, what is my selling level, what is my buying level? My selling level is here, right? Extreme high, that is my selling level, and there is a buying level in the bottom from here, because we have a breakout structure. Breakout structure here, that's my buying level, and we have a breakout structure here, that's my selling level. So okay, we decided buying level and selling level. Now what we can do, we can apply the market profile tool. Let's see whether high volume activity happened here and here. If that happened, we can take a trade from those areas. If it is not happened, then we can cautiously trade. Okay, so let's switch on the market profile. So if you switch on the market profile, can you see the high volume areas here? So in the bottom you can see exactly at this point, exactly at this level, there is a high volume activity happen at this price, 2295, 2295.69. You don't take exactly that price, but because sometimes it can go below that and after that go above. That can happen. Okay, so you can see high volume activity happened here. So now it is matching with your smart money strategy. As per smart money strategy, you put the box, and market profile also telling you that this is the high volume area, boss, this is the high volume area, so you can buy. So you can look for buy here. Okay, of course you will be following 5-minute strategy and everything, but you can confidently buy from here, right? Similarly, you can see up in the up, this is the selling area, and it says that high volume activity happened at 2375 level. Now don't take exactly that level. It can be like this also, in this entire area also. Market can react anywhere. Okay, but 2375 as based on this particular exchange, particular broker, this number is given. Okay, don't take this as support and resistance, something like that. Don't take it, and don't blindly trade from that level. It's going to give you some idea. It's going to give you some idea from those levels. So you can confidently trade from either from the bottom or sell from the top. If you go back a little bit, in a ranging market also it will be giving different things like this. You can see there is a high volume area here. It shows here. So what happened? Market did not exactly reacted from there. It is exactly reacted from the swing point only. You can see the swing point. From the swing point only it is reacted. It's not reacted exactly from the high volume area. High volume area going to give you an idea. Give you an idea. Okay, there is a high volume activity happened here, so we can expect some movement from those particular areas, right? You can have a plus or minus 20-30 points from that particular level. It is particularly respected from the swing level only. It is not respected from this level. Of course, there is a small up movement. Again, market came down and reacted. It's not exactly reacting from that particular price. Okay, so but you can have an idea. All right, there is a level here, so market, we can definitely expect market will come down. Maybe from here it can go up, right? You can expect that. So that's the reason we are using it. So similarly, here you can see in this particular area, it says this is the high volume area. Let us switch off a little bit. So here we have a swing point. Here we have a swing point middle candle. So middle candle broken, middle candle tested, market gone above, right? This is our traditional smart money strategy. If I switch on the market profile, it also says that this is the high volume area. You can see the red line here, high volume area here. So market broken, came back, approximately touched the high volume area here, right? And market gone above. So similarly, the next one, there is a high volume area here, right? High volume area here. 233, 2333, right? So that level. Let us go here. Any reaction? No reaction. Can you see that? Market, little reaction. Of course, there is a reaction here. After reaching this point, market reacted little bit for a 1 hour, then it is failed. So that can happen. That can definitely happen because market is always crazy. Even though we are, of course, we are using the free version, but maybe in the paid version, no, you can able to get more insights, and according to that you can trade. But you can get some idea. All right, this is the high volume area. From that area we can trade. So something like that you can get. Nifty 50, Bank Nifty also you can do, but you need to have a paid version. We take a Nifty 50 futures. I don't think so we can able to see because of the version, because it's a paid, you need to purchase the scheme. So it's a Nifty 50, I think so. Nifty 50, yeah, not Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is not it. Yeah, it won't appear because of the. Okay, I need to specifically select the contract. Let's take a June contract. I don't know whether it will show. Yeah, it's a June contract. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so it's a June contract, right? So June contract, let me close this little bit, and let's go maybe 15-minute chart. I don't know whether it will show because you need to purchase this, only then it will show. I'm taking 15 minutes. I'm switching on the market profile. So you can see here it shows the market profile, high volume areas where it shows. It shows here. And what is that area? That is an imbalance area, right? Imbalance area, high volume area. And it shows high volume here. It's a swing level. Okay, it's a swing level in a 15-minute swing level. So market already touched here, some little bit up movement, then again it is coming down. So where else it shows the high volume area? Let's go down here. So what is that? You can see there is a swing point here, swing point, and you can see WBWO breakout structure, right? So that is the high volume area, it says. So can you see that it is almost matching with the swing levels, right? Swing, working, not working, it's different story, but you know, you can see most of the swing points or WBW levels, you have a high volume area. Now please understand, guys, this 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 platforms, right, they pay money to the NSE, they pay money to the government, and they get this data. This is not just like that any indicator, not like some XYZ indicator is giving the signal. No, they pay the money to the exchanges, and they get the data, and they are providing the data in their in the form of subscription service. So it's a paid, they themselves pay money to the exchanges and get this data, right? So you need to understand that. So it has some accuracy. These indicators, these tools has some accuracy. Okay, but anyways, how we are going to interpret, how we are having depth, how much depth knowledge we are having, that is going to determine the success and failure. Okay, so you can use this uh, with the free service is available, right? Free tool is available, you can use that. So let's take a GBP JPY. You can see only one GBP JPY, that is only with broker, this broker. So take that. Now volume profile you can also use. So let's take a volume profile right now. Let's go to the index, this one, study, FX study. So let's go to the order flow, volume profile. So let's go order flow, volume profile here. Okay, if you click the volume profile, you will be getting only the overall volume. You can see here there is a red color line. If I zoom in further, no, this will be changing, the line will be changing. So it is not difficult, it is not much useful for you to take a trading decision, to be frank. When you zoom in, zoom out, no, this may change, because it's going to cover entire chart, at entire chart where exactly high volume activity is happening. So that is going to give you, to be frank, no, it is not much helpful to get an idea to trade. So that's the reason I'm always suggest you to use the market profile. Market profile going to take a swing to swing, mostly it will be taking swing to swing. Okay, you can see. So this area, in this entire area, it tells you that this is the high volume area. It's a range market. So we know that range market, from the range market can go up or go down, right? So we discussed that. So but here what happened, it's failed, it still failed. So that's the reason I'm telling you cannot take this as a straightforward buy entry, sell entry. Along with this, you need to understand the other stuffs like liquidity, imbalance, and the direction of the market, confirmation strategy, everything you need to use. Okay, suppose you are like a higher time frame trader, so let's say daily chart trader. Okay, then this may help you, guys. If you are trying this in a lower time frame, no, it may not help you. If you try with the higher time frame charts, it's going to help you. Let's take it. So here it's a daily chart. Okay, I have a swing level here. I have a swing level here. Is it touched? No, not yet touched. So let's switch on the tool. It is not also showing the high volume here. There is no volume here, right? It's not showing any volume factor here. So you can avoid this level. You can avoid this level. It shows high volume here. It shows high volume here. It is already touched. You can see here. This entire area, it had a volume, and that level is tested. Market gone above. Okay, from here in this area, there was a high volume area. So market touched. Now it is kind of rejecting to the downside. Right. So higher time frame charts, weekly charts, daily charts, 4-hour charts, you can get in a long term, you can say support and resistance or something like that. You can get those levels, those points using these softwares only. Unfortunately, those who are giving the signals, right, signal services, if you go to the Telegram, there are a lot of community They provide signal services: buy here, sell here, put stop loss here. You need to pay 500 rupees. If you pay 500 rupees, they'll give every day, they'll give signals, right? Based on what they are giving, based on this software only. Okay, there is a paid version they buy. The monthly they pay 1500 rupees, and they collect 500 rupees from you guys. Like some 1000 people will be there. They'll be purchasing that services. So they pay monthly 1500 rupees, and they collect money from you. They simply give you the buy signal, sell signal using this software. Most of the time it works because the software is getting data from the exchange directly. Okay, I'm talking about the stock market. I'm not talking about the forex market. I'm talking about the stock market. Okay, so if you are a stock market trader, if you want to trade stock market, if anybody approach you with a signal service, don't go with that. Instead, come to this website, purchase the plan, you use by yourself, right? Don't pay money to anyone. You 260 rupees, right? With the inclusive of GST, maybe like it will be 1300 400 rupees. So pay the money, get the service. You can get the buy sell level, and based on that you can trade. Okay, so most of the signal providers, they use software like this: Go Chatting, Bell TPO. Bell TPO is very much accurate. If you go Bell TPO, okay, cracked version is not available. So if you see the Bell TPO software, pricing and packages, and I think it need more what do you call configuration of a computer also. I have used this software when I was working in the what do you call the prop firm. I used the software. You can see the standard cost itself 58,000 rupees. Okay, and it don't have much detail, right? But if you go with the premium version and enterprise version, and if you specifically approach them, they will give you the designated software. Now this is very much useful if you are going to start the broker firm, or like a broker services, or maybe like a fund management services in Indian market. I'm talking about Indian market. Okay, you can get that. So it will be giving you the, it has different versions. 14,000 also it is there. Okay, so 7,000 also there is this version is available, right? So it is not necessary if you are trading forex market. All right, so this is the one tool you can use, guys. Free version is available with Go Chatting. You can use this. Somewhat it is good. I do have a indicator for MT5 for this. I'll share with you guys. You can install that indicator also in a MetaTrader also. You can use that. All right, so this is the one indicator you can try. What else you can try? So to be honestly speaking, indicators are generally lagging. It's not going to help you much, but my opinion is you can combine indicator with any other strategies. So for example, if you saw our 5 minutes scalping strategy, where I used the moving average. So 5 minutes chart. So moving average 200 period. So there is no such requirement you need to use 200 period, you need to use 50 period. No such requirement. Whatever number you find useful, you can use. But why I'm using 200 period? Because higher the time frame, you may get more accuracy. So that's the reason. 200 period moving average. So according to our scalping strategy, if candles goes above, you are looking for buy. If candles goes down, you're looking for sell. Okay, from where? From the swing levels. So swing level is nothing but candle 1, candle 2, candle 3, right? So in 5 minutes you are looking for this, and you are marking entire 3 candle. So for example, here you can see swing level 1, 2, 3. You are marking entire 3 candles like this, and when it is touched, you are looking for buy. Okay, so here what is the usage of moving average? To be frank, we are not using moving average. We are not using moving average for taking entry. We are using moving average to get an idea. So moving average going to give me that the price is below the average or above the average. If price is above the average, if students perform above the average, right, so he is doing good, right? If student is below average, is not doing good. So like that, if candles are above average, it's performing, so it is bullish, you can buy. If candles are below average, it's not performing, it's bearish, you can sell. So to get that logic only we are using it. So get some idea, some control, some protocol, some kind of measurement, benchmarking, I can say benchmarking. So if it is below, we are selling. If it is above, buying. Okay, whether it is correct or wrong, sometimes it's correct, sometimes it's wrong, because these indicators are following the price. So according to the candle movement, this is created. Not not the indicator is creating the candle movement. How candle is moves, based on that indicator formed. How prices moves based on the indicator formed. Okay, that's why indicators are lagging, indicators are useless. But however, sometimes it works because there's a concept called average price or mean reversion. I can say mean reversion, mean reversal method. So what do you mean by mean reversal method? It's very very common sense. We don't want to buy at costlier, we don't want to sell at cheaper, we always want to buy at middle price. This is our psychologically, this is proven one. We if you see 999, right, 999 999 rupees, so psychologically we say, oh, it's cheaper. But when I say 1000 rupees, oh, it is costlier. It's a people's mindset. By seeing the number, they decide the, what do you call, they think 1000 rupees costly, but 999 is cheaper. But the difference is just 1 rupee, right? 1 rupee. So psychologically, the numbers affects the people. So whenever price goes cheaper, no, it affects them. It affects them. Whenever price goes costlier, it affects them. So most of the times in the middle level, market reverse. Most of the times in the middle level, it come downs, middle level market comes reverse. Or if it is goes up, middle level market goes up. That's why we are using 50% level, right? So most of the indicators follow this the middle price, or like they designed based on the middle price, especially the moving average indicator. Moving average means nothing but it's average means middle, right? It's not higher, it is not lower, it's average. It's a summation of different numbers and dividing the different numbers with the total number, total count. So this is the kind of mean reversion method. So that's the reason most of the time it works, sometimes it fails also. Okay, so what are the other indicators apart from the moving average I can use? If you don't like moving average, you can use different indicators. For example, you can use, there is another version of moving average called Hull moving average, HULL, Hull moving average you can use. Now I don't know about the formula, how the moving average is created, but in my experience I have seen Hull moving average. It's very travel close to the price, and it may give you some proper decisions to trade. So what I suggest you is delete the moving average, go to the indicator, search Hull moving average. Okay, you can go to the Google, search what is the formula behind this, because we are not here for learning the mathematics. Okay, Hull moving average, click that. Usually Hull moving average will be the low, people will be using the 10 period Hull moving average, something like that, but I suggest you to use at least 50 period Hull moving average. Okay, because many people use the lower time frame, but I always suggest you to use at least 50 period moving average or 20 period moving average, Hull moving average. Most of the time this will be very close to the price. You can see it's very close to the price, and whenever it is change, it actually change. You can see candles are above buy trend, right? Candles are above buy trend. When it is go below, it actually, when it is shift, like up movement is shifting to the down movement, right? From here it is up movement. When it is shift to the down, it actually shift into the down. Okay, it is actually shift into the down. So very closer to the price. So you can able to witness that many occasions. So we are in a 5-minute chart. We are in a 5-minute chart. Let's go to the at least 1 hour chart. Yeah, 5 minutes is very too small time frame to get the direction of the market. Just see here. Now it's in a 1 hour chart. Just see here, every time candle goes above the hull moving average, right? It is bullish. Every time it goes below, it is bearish. Bullish. See from here to here. It goes below, bearish, little bearish. It's still huge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost 6 hours it's down. Every time it goes above, it is definitely bullish. Goes down, it is definitely bearish. Most of the times. Most of the time it won't fail. In my experience, I have seen this. Okay. Somebody is joining at 8:30. We alright. Anyways, you can refer the recording. Okay, you can see here. It goes below. It goes above. It is bullish. Mostly bullish. Goes below, it is bearish. Goes above, bullish. Mostly it won't fail. Hull moving average, 50 period hull moving average in 1 hour time frame, because 1 hour time frame you can get the direction. But since it is not failing, no, you should not like, oh, it is not failing, I'm gonna trade blindly. No, don't do that. So for example, here it is gone above the moving average, right? So, oh, it's gone above the moving average, sir, I'm gonna buy. Don't do that. Why? Because you see the trend, overall trend. Overall trend is bearish, right? Overall it is bearish. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, break of. Suddenly it won't go bullish, right? So you need to careful on that also. The one more tip I would like to give here, if you are using TradingView, I'm not sure whether this facility available in the MetaTrader. Whenever you apply the moving average indicator, say for example I applied in the moving average in a 1 hour chart, right? If I go 5 minutes, this moving average will be changing. That may give you the confusion. So what I suggest you here is, go to the 1 hour, double click the indicator, double click, and you can see time frame here. Time frame, it says chart. Change this into your desired time frame. So let's say I want to know 1 hour moving average, hull moving average, 1 hour trend. So I'm clicking 1 hour here and clicking OK. Now this is chart time frame also 1 hour. Chart time frame also 1 hour. Indicator time frame also 1 hour. Okay. Now if I go with the 5 minutes, this indicator still shows 1 hour trend. Okay, this blue line is still 1 hour trend, not 5 minutes trend. So now what are you seeing here? The 1 hour moving average is broken and market is going above. Started to go above in 5 minutes, or let's say 15 minutes. Okay, it's started to go above. Now you are looking for the swing low and swing low break and swing low touch and 5 minutes confirmation, something like that. So where is the swing low? So currently I have a swing low here. I have a swing low or 3 candle. You can mark 3 candle also, or only swing low also, because higher time frame you can mark middle candle or 3 candle also, but lower time frame you need to mark 3 candle. So I'm marking 3 candle here, 1, 2, 3, because 15 minutes is a lower time frame. So market broken, market touched. So look for 5 minutes. Go to the 5 minutes. So market touched. You got a swing point here, 1, 2, 3. So you can mark that 3 candle, something like that. You can look for buy entry from here, and 1:5, or 1:2, or 1:1.5, something like that you can target. Now here we are using hull moving average. We are not using higher time frame break of structure. Hull moving average breaken. Now you can use one more hull moving average. For example, 5 minutes hull moving average. Let's say 5 minutes hull moving average. Let's go to the indicator once again. Hull moving average once again. Let's go here, hull moving average. Now what I'm going to do here now, go to the settings. I'm going to change the color of the hull moving average. So I'm going to use maybe black, maybe like a red color. Okay, now this time inputs, maybe I can use some 20 period moving or maybe 10 period moving average, any number you can use, any lower number. Time frame will be 5 minutes. I'm going to choose 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so this moving average going to give me the 5-minute trend. So look at here. Now it's pretty close. Maybe like we can do one thing, we can increase the length to 20. You can play around with the settings. Okay, so you can see this is the blue color line is 1 hour 50 period hull moving average, whereas the red color line is, maybe we can change the color, not red color, maybe like black color, maybe, yeah, little bit increase of font, I mean size. So blue color is what do you call 50 period, 50 or 60, yeah, 50 period 1 hour hull moving average, whereas the black color line is 20 period 5 minutes hull moving average. Okay, 5 minutes. Now the periods you can change, the time frame also you can change, maybe like you can choose 15 minutes time frame also, 15 minutes time frame, 10 minutes time frame, 30 minutes, you can use 15 minutes also. Let's say 15 minutes we have taken. So 1 hour trend is buy, 1 hour trend is already given by. How I buying? Because all candles above the blue line, right? So 1 hour trend is buy. So what about 15 minutes trend? 15 minutes trend also started to give buy. So we have a, let's see here, let's delete this. So we have a market is below the, what do you call, below the hull moving average, and market broken this and it created the swing point here, right? Swing point, 3 candle, 1 2 3 candle is created. So let's mark that. Let's mark the 3 candle, 1 2 3. So what happened? Market came inside. Has it given any confirmation in a lower time frame? If you go lower time frame, you may see that. If I go 5 minutes or maybe 3 minutes, no. So 1 2 3. Okay, 3 candle break and this is failed. Actually this is failed, or stop loss hits here, right? Now let's see once again. Let's go to the 15 minutes once again. So let's zoom in. So we are waiting for the candle to go above the hull moving average. So it's gone above the hull moving average, closed above the hull moving average. So 1 2 3, 3 candle is created here. You are marking 3 candle. Since it's the 15 minutes, I'm marking 3 candle. So I'm waiting for the touch. Okay, I'm not gonna buy. I'm gonna wait for the candle to go above the hull moving average. Go above the hull moving average. Then I can buy. Or I can look for 5 minutes confirmation, 3 minutes confirmation. Then I can look for buy. So hull moving average, the one thing you can use, and especially with the higher time frame, it is really good. But lower time frame, you need to tweak little bit settings. Like you can go to the settings, you can change the settings a little bit, and time frame also you can change. According to that, you can play around with this. Okay, now let me tell you something. I'm not using these indicators. I don't use indicators. That is my way of trading. But why I'm talking about these indicators, no? It may help you to find your edge in the market. That's the reason. Okay, you can use it, you can avoid it. That is completely your choice, right? So what else you can use? There is a one more indicator which is in the past I have used, and I used to recommend to the people during the master classes also. That is called QQE indicator. QQE, qualitative quantitative estimation. Now this is generally this is kind of powerful in forex market comparing with the stock market. Let's take a euro USD. Go to the indicators, QQE. QQE. Okay, You can use any of these, but I'm going to use specifically QQE. The first one maybe you can use the first one. Just click that. So as soon as we click that, you can straightforward, you can get something in the bottom. There are 3 lines are there. It may confuse you guys. So you can see yellow color line, red color, green color. So go to the settings, style. We don't want fast, slow, RSI index we don't want. Just remove the RSI index, which is yellow color. We don't want that, but you can use fast, slow. Maybe you can increase the size a little bit so that you can see. Let's increase the size a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So I removed the yellow line. I just need a green, red. Very simple. Very, very simple. The green line, whenever green line above, you are buying. Whenever green line below, you are selling. That's it. You are looking green line. Okay. Green line below the red line, sell. Green line above the red line, buy. Don't buy straightforward. You look for the levels. For example, here I have a swing level. Okay, 3 swing level. 3 swing. So 3 swing is touched. Shall I buy? No, don't buy. Why you should not buy? It's a buying level, right? Why should not buy? Because QQ indicator, it's still telling you sell. Red line is above, green line is below. It still says the sell level. So don't buy here. Don't buy here. Okay. So similarly, if you see here, there is a swing level in the top. 3 candle. 3 candle touched here, and you did not get any confirmation so far. I mean immediately you did not get any confirmation. So if I put a vertical line, take a vertical line, exactly here it is touched. Okay, so vertical line you can see. Let us reduce the size. Yeah. So you can see candle touched the swing point here. Okay. So what is the signal you are getting? Still buy signal you are getting, because green line is above. So don't sell. Wait for the signal to change. Signal changing here. Signal changing somewhere here. And after that you can look for sell. Okay, stop loss. It's not a powerful way of trading because of the late signal. But let me tell you, most of the occasions, as compared with many indicators, this indicator signal is very fast. Okay, this is late only, to be frank. It's giving only sell signal here only. It's late only. But comparing with many other indicators, this indicator's signal is fast. Okay, so you can try to use this. I'm not using right now, I'm not using these indicators. But earlier I have used this, and something similar to this we have used in our prop firm. That's the reason I'm recommending this. Something similar to this. So not exactly this, but something similar to this we have used in the prop firm. When we are trading using prop firm, I have used this. We have used this. Okay, that's the reason I'm recommending. Sometimes it works. Most of the time it works. Sometimes it fails. Most of the time it works. You can try this. You can combine this with a higher time frame. Let's say 4-hour chart, and wait for the. Now it still says sell signal. Wait for the buy signal to create, and afterwards you can go to the lower time frame. You can look for confirmation. You can take it right. QQ indicator you can use. Mostly it is going to help you. And there is one more indicator. Generally, I use along with the QQ indicator. In the back then I'm telling. I'm not telling right now. Some 3 to 4 years before I'm telling. Okay, there is one more indicator called SSL. Okay, SSL, hybrid or channel, whatever you can use. But I prefer, I think, hybrid, single line SSL. So let's go to the SSL hybrid. I think this is the line. This is an indicator. You can see a lot of colors are there, right? So don't get worried. Go to the settings. Remove everything. Remove everything. We don't want anything. Just remove everything. So we don't want baselines. We don't want anything. ATR, nothing. Plots background. Okay, we want only SSL. SSL 1 and SSL 2. It's not showing. Okay, let us close this. We'll use a different indicator, okay, because I'm not sure. SSL, let's say line. SSL, okay, let's use the SSL channel, okay, SSL channel. If you click channel, yeah, you can see 2 lines are there here, but go to the settings. Okay, there is no option to change that, so we don't want to use this. Let's go once again, SSL. Maybe we can try this SSL channel. No, I think so. I want a single line SSL. There is a single line SSL will be there, but I don't know where exactly. We don't want channel. No. Let's go once again SSL. Let's try different indicator. SSL indicator is it's a user created indicator. It is not. Maybe we can try the hybrid advanced. Oh my god. This is a lot of craziness. Okay, we don't want this. Straightforward, we don't want this. Delete this. Indicators, SSL. Here I think somebody's created SSL hybrid with the QQ strategy. You can see that. QQ strategy is SSL. They have somebody created already. Maybe you can try this SSL with the QQ strategy. And they have backtested also. My god, this is also again crazy. These are your personal usage. I mean, you can, if you want, you can use these. If you don't want, you don't need to use this. But I'm looking for a simple SSL line that is. I think somewhere it will be there. SSL, Super SSL, maybe. No, not this one. Okay, so time being we can use the SSL channel because there is a single line SSL indicator will be there. Channel cross, not channel cross. There are a lot of combination of SSLs, but we don't want combination. We want single SSL line. That is available with I think with a MetaTrader. Here also that is there, but I don't remember because it's been really long time I have not using these indicators, right? So not this one. Okay, this one. No, it's not plotting. So let's try this once again. SSL line, maybe. Unfortunately, that is that indicator. I think it's not there, or maybe we have to do some. Need to check one by one. By the way, maybe we may get. Maybe we'll try SSL MTF multi-time frame. This is also 2 line. Let's go here, settings, up, down. There should be a 1 line, guys. There will be a 1 line. It will go up, go down like this. Go up, go down. Like a moving average indicator. So if you can able to find that, you can use that, which is really good. Because how it works now? Whenever market down, it create red line. Whenever market up, it will create a green. So something like that. Let's say green, something like that. And it goes down, it create red. And when it goes down, it say green. Okay, so that is really convenient for beginners to get. Oh, red means sell. When red becomes green, you need to buy. When green becomes red, you need to sell. Something like that. So that indicator is missing. If I found, I'll let you know, guys. Okay, so what we will be doing now, we are going to combine the indicators with the SSL indicator with the QQE indicator. Okay, so let's take this indicator. I want to take a 1 hour chart. Now it look crazy. Same logic. If red line is above, green line is below, sell. If green line is above, red line is below, buy. And you can see the crossovers here. You can see the crossovers. Okay, and usually after crossing over, market will be changing. For example, here the red line here crossed by the green line, so market is buying, and green line crossed down to the red line, so market is sell. So if green above, you should buy, green below, you should sell. Okay, so now we will be combining these two indicators, SSL with QQE indicator. Go to the indicators, QQE. QQE, any QQE you can use. As I told you guys, remove the yellow line here in the QQE indicator. Go to the settings, remove the yellow line. If you want, you can use, but I'm okay with green and red. Maybe increase the size a little bit. Increase the what do you call, the thickness also, opacity also, so that you can see clearly. Okay, now you can see QQ indicator is giving sell signal, right? Green line is below the red line, same as SSL indicator. SSL indicator, green line is below, red line is above. Sell signal. Both are sell signal. When both are giving same signal, you can look for buy or sell. So let's say here it's already turned into the bullish. You can see it's already turned into the bullish. Green line is above, red line is below. Whereas here it is still working in progress. So suppose if green line do like this, green line go like this, and red line go like this. Let's say this is green, this is red, and it already given the buy signal here. So you can look for buy here. Maybe you can look for a swing point. You can mark swing point, touch, buy. Okay, you should definitely combine the swing point. You should definitely at least combine the swing point. Okay, any indicator you use, no indicator is better than the swing point. You are going to combine everything with the swing point. Okay, let's look for the scenario. Let's see, anywhere it is given the buy signal. Yeah, so let's take a lower time frame. Okay, let's take a 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'm not changing any settings of SSL indicator. I'm not changing any settings of QQ indicator. You can use as it is. Okay, so you can see this does look crazy. Right, it is definitely sell signal. Definitely sell signal. Maybe let's try with a different market. GBP, Canadian dollar. Okay, I'm going to take a 15 minutes chart, at least 15 minute chart, right? So now you can see lot of what do you call, the confusions will be there because of the indicators, because we never use indicators. Suddenly when you use the indicators now, you'll get a lot of confusions. So you can see you need to wait for the candle to go above the SSL channel. Wait for the candles to go above the SSL channel. Now let me delete this. This is because it's a multi-time frame indicator. Let's go once again, SSL channel. SSL channel. Okay, maybe we'll try the first one. This is better, far better. So go to the settings, maybe change the color according to you. I'm going to use the dark green, and maybe dark green, and size little bit. Okay, opacity also I'm increasing. Okay, I'm using SSL channel, right? Now what you need to do, wait for the candle to go above the SSL indicator. So here you can see candle is going above the SSL indicator, and you can also see when that happens, this what do you call, QQ indicator also given you the QQ indicator given the buying confirmation somewhere here. You can able to see here it's already changed its direction, whereas SSL indicator Here only it's given the confirmation, right? Now can I buy immediately? That is your choice. That is your choice. But what I'm telling you here is wait for the swing point to create. Wait for the swing point to create. Wait for the middle candle to break, at least middle candle or at least three candle to break, and afterwards you buy. Afterwards you buy, afterwards you sell. So here you can see here there is a swing point is created. So three candle you need to mark. Now what happened? Immediately that swing point is failed, and one more swing point is created somewhere here. So 1 2 3, three candle is created here. So let's go up little bit. Yeah, let's go up little bit. So you got the swing point inside the SSL channel. Inside the SSL channel you got a swing point, right? After touching the SSL, it's broken and came back to the SSL channel. It's created the swing point. Now when market come here, you can look for buy, and you can target immediately 1.1 and you can immediately exit, something like that you can do. The thing here is when you use indicators, it is going to give you the lagging performance. It's going to fail you a lot of times. So that's the reason we are going to combine the indicator with swing point strategy, swing levels, and especially with the lower time frames. Okay, especially with the lower time, like a 5-minute chart, like a 15-minute chart. So see here, market going below the SSL channel here. We are on a 5 minutes. It's below the SSL channel. Okay, SSL channel is telling sell. The same signal is given here also. It is also telling sell. Are we going to sell directly? That is your choice. You can directly also sell, and you can wait for the changeover here. Changeover happen only here, right? Until that you can hold. That is your choice. But my suggestion, look for the swing point somewhere here. Do we have a swing point? We don't have any swing point here, but we have a swing point here. So mark that level. Wait for the market to come down, touch, sell, capture this, exit. Okay, something like that. So combine with, it's going to give you a lot of confusions, but combining different strategies, it's a better way of trading, right? So apart from that, what you can use Bollinger Band, you can use Fibonacci, uh, golden ratio level, right? But I don't, you are going to use the 50% of Fibonacci most of the times. So you don't need to use Fibonacci golden ratio. Instead, maybe you can try Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, somewhat it's good. A lot of people thinking Bollinger Band is something powerful. It's nothing but a moving average. Bollinger Band is nothing but a moving average with the standard deviation. Um, moving average with the standard deviation, right? We studied in the school days, average, standard deviation, right? Mean, mode, median. These and all you would have studied in the school days in the 10th grade or 12th grade. So standard deviation and moving average with the standard deviation. That is nothing but a Bollinger Band. Okay. So what do you mean by that? Bollinger Band. If I take a Bollinger Band, so what is the middle line? Middle line is nothing but a moving average. There is a blue color line. That is a moving average. You can see here Bollinger Band 20 SMA. What is this? 20 means the middle line is 20 period moving average. Moving average. Okay. The red line and green line. What is the green line and red line? From the moving average, standard deviation is calculated. From this moving average, there is a standard deviation. From this average, standard deviation calculated. From this average, standard deviation calculated. Okay, based on the average, standard deviation calculated. If you don't know what is standard deviation, if you properly go through the 10th grade book, mathematics book, you will get the standard deviation. First, we will calculate the moving average. Then out of average, out of average, we'll find the standard deviation. How much is moved from the standard average? How much price moved from the average? So that is called Bollinger Band, nothing else. Okay, you can do manually also this. How you can do manually? Delete the moving average, Bollinger Band. Put the moving average 20 period. Moving average. Simple moving average. Okay. So let's make it a 20 period. 20 period. Right, this is the 20 period moving average. Right, now from here, how many point the price moved, that is called standard deviation. If you go to the settings, let me do one thing. Let me take a MetaTrader. MetaTrader is very easy as compared with a trading view. So hopefully you can see the MetaTrader. Okay, now, so let's delete everything. Okay, I'm gonna put moving average. So insert indicator, trend, moving average. Okay, 20 period moving average. That is a black color line. That's a middle line. Okay, now if you go the same indicator, there is option called standard deviation. I think it will be the envelope. There is option called envelope. Where is envelope? Envelopes. Okay, now here somewhere. Just give me a second. Let's go to the view navigation. Yeah. So what is the indicator we plotted now? It will show here. Okay, there's an option called envelope. Where is that indicator? Trend, envelope. If I click envelope, if I put above the moving average, it will ask some period deviation. You can see the deviation here. That is what it asks. So if you put deviation like 2, you can see Bollinger Band is created. This is Bollinger Band. Okay, from the average, how much it's deviated. This is Bollinger Band. Nothing but Bollinger Band is nothing but moving average. From the moving average, he calculated the deviation, deviation, upside deviation, downside deviation. So something like that. Okay, nothing. So you can use envelope to get the standard deviation or something like that. Right, now one thing you need to ensure here is 20 period moving average, middle line. The envelope also should be 20 period. Something like that. So by the way, you will get moving average also 20 period, envelope also 20 period. You can get the Bollinger Band. So this is Bollinger Band. Nothing but Bollinger Band is nothing but nothing fancy here. Okay. So if you are going to use Bollinger Band, what is the strategy here? Bollinger Band, it's nothing but a moving average, as I told you guys. So it has 3 lines: red, blue and green. The middle line is a target line. You are going to always target the middle line. Red line is a selling line, green line is a buying line. Okay, so but are we going to sell directly? No, we are not going to sell directly. So take a 1 hour chart. You need to do one thing: wait for the candle to go below the or above the red and green line, something like this. You can see it is go below the line, right? It go above the line. This is what you want. This is what you want. You need to always wait for the candle to go below the green line or go above the red line, something like this. Something like this. This also works, but if it is goes below like this, then you can take that levels. Okay, so how? So let us see here. Let us see from the past. You can see it is gone below the line here. So what it is created? Swing point is created. Okay, you can mark middle candle because it's a 1 hour chart, right? Swing point is created below the line. Market gone above, came back, touched. Look for the 5 minutes confirmation, buy. Target the red line or target the middle line. Okay, once again you can see swing point, the Bollinger Band is broken, touched the swing point. Look for the 5 minutes confirmation, buy and target the middle line. Middle line or the top line. So here you can see it's gone above the Bollinger Band. Swing point created. Can you see 2 times it is touched? Middle candle, 1 hour candle. First time market went down, came back, sold. Second time it is touched here, went up to this middle level. And you can also see here, not a powerful movement, but you can get an idea. You can see the swing point is broken the lower band, so that should be your buying level for the future. Okay, so if you are using Bollinger Band, the idea is very simple. Wait for the band upper side or lower side to break. If upper band is broken, look for sell. See, upper band broken, look for sell here. I'm watching in the 1 hour chart. Okay, 5-minute chart, you need to look for the sell. If lower band is broken, look for the buy. Where is the lower band broken? We don't have much here. We have here something. Lower band broken. So when it is come back, look for buy. So it's a ranging market. So here lower band broken. So look for buy. Mark like middle candle. Wait for the break and retest. Okay, full candle you mark. Break and retest happen only here. And look for 5 minutes confirmation. Trade. Okay, here also you can see lower band broken. This is failed. I mean, it is worked, I think. Yeah. It's failed. Yeah. Failed. Bollinger Band failed. Here is the big level. You cannot mark this. Big levels and all, big stop loss. Maybe you can take a half level worked. Yes. Half level worked 2 times. Touched here, gone above. So look for 5 minutes confirmation. That is mandatory. 5 minutes confirmation is mandatory. Okay, so what else? We have upside break. So in our community, I don't know how many of you noticed, there's a person called Samuel Joshua. Samuel Joshua, he always combined the Bollinger Band with the supply and demand. Right? He always used that. So he developed some strategy based on that. You can follow that also. I have also insisting the Bollinger Band for the last 1 year. More than 1 year, I believe so. I'm telling people you to use the Bollinger Band for if you are not able to get a proper trading idea, right? So in that situation, you can use the Bollinger Band. Okay, so Bollinger Band somewhat going to help you to get the manipulations. So you can see here, market gone below, and you can see multiple time it is tested. Tested here, gone above. Second time tested here, gone above, and third time it's failed. Okay, you are looking for this, and you are marking the middle level. Wait for the touch. Confirmation is important. So what you can do here is, let's do one thing. Let's take a different chart. Euro JPY. Okay. Now I'm gonna set the indicator timing. So I'm going to go to the settings of the indicator. Time frame should be 1 hour. Okay. I'm changing the time frame of indicator is 1 hour. So even if I change the time frames, this is going to stick. The Bollinger Band will not change. It will be showing the 1 hour trend. So now in 1 hour, this is the Bollinger Band giving, right? So you can see it is gone below down. It given the swing point here. Sorry, here. So market touched and failed here. Market touched and failed. Why? Because trend is already sell trend. You can see sell trend is already sell. So that's the reason it is failed. So you need to consider the trend also. Also Bollinger Band is going down like this, right? So sell is trend is sell. Now look at here. There is a swing point here. Gone above the Bollinger Band. Okay, middle candle in 1 hour. I'm marking that. So couple of time it is touched. First time it touched here, fell down. Second time touched, fell down. Now I'm gonna look for the 5 minutes confirmation here and here. I'm gonna go 5-minute chart. So first touch happened here. Okay, first touch happened here. So I'll be marking 3 candles, right? 3 candle I'm gonna mark. 1, 2, 3 candle. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Let's take a box. 1 2 3 candle. So you're waiting for the 1 2 3 candle break. So break happened, market came back, touched, and Bollinger Band, I mean the strategy failed. It is not given the down movement or stop loss hits, right? So second one, it's created here. Second touch is created here, 1 2 3 candle. Okay, the second one is worked exactly from the previous swing level. It is touched and worked. Okay, so market worked here, went down. So you will be selling here, short position, stop loss. You can target the lower band, wherever the lower band is at the time, lower band is here, right? You can target the lower band, something like that you can do. Okay, or you can target the swing point here, this swing point or this swing point. This is the 1 hour lower band. Okay, 1 hour lower band, not a 5-minute lower band. 1 hour lower band we can target, something like that. So second time again it came to here, it touched the upper band, right? This time is properly touched the upper band. Upper band touched, upper band broken, and created the swing point here, 3 candle, 1 2 3 candle. So what happened? 1 2 3 candle broken, came back. Now stop loss is big, I think so. Stop loss is 200 points, so definitely we cannot afford this. So maybe we can take a middle candle alone in that case. Middle candle alone. So stop loss here is 150 points. Still it is it's costlier, but we don't have any other choice. We have to take a trade here. So sell entry, stop loss over there. Target should be the either middle band or lower band. Why here I chosen the middle or lower band? Because middle band is only here, so that's the reason. So here middle band is very near, and also there is a swing point here. So your target should be the middle band. 1 is to 1.75 here. Here 1 is to 1 is to 5. Okay, but market went below that also. It's going down again, right? So you can use Bollinger Band in 1 hour, and 5 minutes according to that you can take a trade. So this is the 1 hour Bollinger Band. So what I did, very simple. I go to the settings. Here time frame 1 hour I chosen. So it will be sticking. Even if I change the time frame to 1 minute, it's going to show me the 1 hour Bollinger Band. You can play around with the settings also. Like you can choose 10 period Bollinger Band also, because you are at the end of the day you are going to choose the higher time frame Bollinger Band, right? So for example, go to the settings. Instead of 1 hour you can choose daily. Okay, let's go to the daily Bollinger Band. I think it will be really big. Yeah, it will be really big. So maybe you can like go to the settings, maybe 4 hour you can choose here, 4 hour Bollinger Band. So currently you are seeing in 5-minute time frame, you are watching 4 hour Bollinger Band signal. Okay, so this is very powerful because it's going to show you the 4 hour trend, 4 hour datas. Based on the 4 hour data, it is given you the trend in the 5 minutes. Okay, so now you can see, you can clearly see that Bollinger Band is the candles are completely below the red line and blue line, completely below. So trend is sell. We can surely say that it's below the moving average. So trend is sell, right? You can look for all swing highs. From the swing highs you can look for sell, maybe from here also. Okay, so something like that you can do. Bollinger Band you can try. Many indicators you can try. Lot of new indicators are developed by many enthusiast people. You can try with many indicators, but don't forget one thing. Whatever indicator you use, you are going to apply what? Swing point in 1 hour, swing point in 5 minutes. That confirmation is necessary. Okay, so that don't forget. You are going to combine that with multiple other strategies. So by the way, you can get an idea how market works. Okay, so apart from this, what are the things you can use? If you ask me, nothing much. In my opinion, these indicators are enough. You can try with the different indicators if you really want. That you can try. Okay, so I really want to cover a few more things. We have not properly covered the Asian range strategy, right? Asian range strategy is not covered. And I also told you guys I will cover breaker block and mitigation block. And once again, few other stuffs like ping pong strategy. Not a strategy, ping pong method. I don't want to call this a strategy. Ping pong method. And most importantly, the plan. Okay, what I'll do now, the plan, I'm still working on the plan. I'm not I mean, because I'm recapping everything, I want to redefine everything for you guys. So plan I'm working, I will give you this as separate, maybe the separate video I'll give you. This ping pong breaker block mitigation block, we will connect once again, maybe one more time, if you are okay with that. If you are okay with that, officially the bootcamp timings are already over, but if you are okay with that, we will connect once again. We will detailed manner once again we will discuss about the Asian range breaker block and mitigation block, because I don't want to drag this more than 2 hours. If it is more than 2 hours, no, then it'll be bore for you guys also. So maybe we will discuss this once again. We will connect once again one more time. If you are okay with that, we can do that. If you are not okay with that, then we can if you feel like that, if we are further dragging the classes, maybe I will make a video for this. I will share you specifically. So whatever you are comfortable, you can let me know. If you are okay with one more session, we will do maybe this week, probably by Friday, this weekend Friday, or like Saturday, or maybe like in between, like Wednesdays we have a live trading session. Tomorrow I'm not sure. Tomorrow if I'm free, I'm planning to conduct a live session tomorrow and day after tomorrow if I'm free. I'm not sure as of now. My schedule is not finalized with the TFU. So if suppose I'm free tomorrow, also we will do live trading session. Day after tomorrow also we'll do a live trading. 2 live trading session in this week we will do. If suppose I'm not free, then tomorrow is over. We may connect Friday evening. Okay. So if you want me to discuss this once again, let me know. We will connect once again. No problem. I will share you the recordings also. We'll connect. Or if you feel like that, sir, it is maybe you can give me a without discussing so many things. If you give me a video, then I'm okay with that. If you are okay with that, let me know that also. I'll make a detailed 1 hour video for this 3. I will share with you. Okay, so now you need to tell me that, because I'm gonna wind up right now. I don't want to go further because it'll be hectic for you guys. We can do one more session also if you want, one more class. Okay, you need to let me know. You can let me know afterwards also. Don't need to tell immediately. You can let me know maybe in the somebody was speaking.
We can do one more class, sir. Yeah,
Sure,
that will
sure.
be fine.
We will do it. Okay, we will do it maybe Friday evening or Saturday. Not sure. Friday or Saturday. I will let you know, guys. We'll connect. And next weekend, next to next weekend, coming weekend to next weekend. Next weekend is when? So this weekend is 15th, right? 22 or 23. We'll do the revision session and doubt clearing session. But no, in doubt clearing session you need to participate. Only then, if you are willing to participate, only I'm gonna conduct the doubt clearing and revision session. Revision session we can do it, no problem. But a doubt clearing session, no, you have to participate. Or if you don't want doubt clearing session, instead of that we can do live session. Live trading session is very important than any other sessions, right? So what we will do this weekend, this week, we will connect once again. We will discuss Asian range strategy, ping pong strategy, and news based strategy also we will discuss. Okay, news based we saw, but we will see further. I'm not satisfied with the previous session which I conduct. I think I was a little bit fast. So news based strategy also we will discuss. News based strategy. I mean, we will do the recap of in a detailed manner. Strategy, Asian range strategy, or I can call this London range strategy. London range, New York, New York range. You can call anything, guys. Names are just a fancy thing. Breaker block, mitigation block, we will have to definitely. Breaker block we need to learn definitely. Mitigation block is not much important. Breaker block, it also called flip zone. Okay, flip zone. Ping pong strategy is nothing but trade from anywhere. Trade from anywhere. Okay, so news based strategy is nothing but double side www/BOS. But we will discuss this. We will allocate another 2.5 hours for all these strategies. We'll detail cover. Okay. So yeah, this recording I will be only sharing you. TFU will not be sharing with you guys. Maybe possibly by if possible today night itself I will share. If not, tomorrow morning you'll be getting. Okay. All right. Somebody was sending the message. Okay. Next live trading session will be either tomorrow evening, but day after tomorrow evening live trading is confirmed. Okay. Wednesday evening 5:30 live trading is confirmed. There is no doubt about that. But if tomorrow evening I am free, if I have spare time, tomorrow also we will do live trading session. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. But if you are not getting any response from me, you can understand that tomorrow is not there. So, but Wednesday is live trading is confirmed. Link for the live session. Now you are asking, how can I share link for the live session right now? For a day after tomorrow's live session. You said you will send the Selvasar strategy in the Tamil. Have I said? Have I? Tamil video. What Tamil video? Selvasar's video. If you are understanding that, no, I know I don't have any problem. I can share this. I can share right now also, but my mobile. Do you understand Tamil? If you guys understand Tamil, no, I will make a.
I'm not able to understand English and Hindi.
Okay. No. The person who asked Selvasar Tamil video, SKRKRA. Are you understand Tamil? Do you understand SKRKRA? Oh, from Chennai. Okay. Okay. Then I will share. I'll share right now. Okay. Just give me a second. Selva. Today, one of other person, Mr. Purnesh, he backtested for the last two. I mean, January 1st to January 30 with Nifty 50. What is this? That 5-minute scalping strategy, and he told me that it is working really, really great in 5 minutes without any trend and all, without seeing any trend and all. He's saying that, sir, it is working really well. I have been backtesting for the last entire January month. It's working really well. 5-minute scalping strategy, okay? And he is also doing backtesting, and he told me that he'll be sharing the data. I will share it with you guys also. Hopefully, you will get to know how powerful that is. Okay, just give me a second. Selva strategy. Okay. So where do I share? Telegram itself I share, because if I share Telegram itself, everybody say I can't and able to understand. That's the reason. Okay, I'll share the Telegram itself. Let me search Silva. Okay, I'm forwarding this reply. Desktop Silva, yeah. All right, it is there in the, it is uploaded into the SMTA. You can go and refer. Great, sir. Great. All right, sir. Please provide the homework from the initial to final. I wanted to do once more. It will be more confidence. Okay. Great. All right. So I see there are a lot of things I can give you guys. For example, mark range market, mark liquidity pool, mark imbalance. That is not going to help you guys. What is going to help you know? WBWO, swing point, breakup structure. Three things. Or I can say swing point. When I say swing point, it is WBW with breakup structure. So, you know, you need to practice that like anything, guys. So, it is really important. So, maybe I'll give you the homework. I don't have any problem. You don't need to share with me, but at least you can practice. You don't need to share anywhere in the community. You can practice that. Okay, I'll give that. So, you are going to mark. Whoever interested, you can do it. Mark WBW plus breakup structure. So this time in 5-minute chart, okay? 5-minute chart of Euro USD, USD JPY, and Canadian dollar, Euro Canadian dollar. Okay. Mark, same thing I'm giving again, WBW, because this two is more than enough. Or you can say swing point, maybe swing point. Okay, you don't need any other stuff in 15-minute chart. Why I'm giving lower time frame? Because you know, henceforth you need to practice lot of in lower time frames. So that is important. Chart of XA GUSD silver, XA USD gold, XTI USD. XTI USD is not required. Maybe like US oil. XTI USD is nothing but US oil. So mark.
Hello, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you have a separate Telegram channel for this assignment, sir? ரொம்ப ஓவரா அந்த அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அதுலயே போடுறது ரொம்ப பார்க்க முடியல சார். கண்டினியூஸா வந்துகிட்டே இருக்கு
இல்ல
அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ்.
அந்த
ஓவரா
அசைன்மென்ட் எதுக்குன்னா சார், அந்த அசைன்மென்ட் நீங்க பண்ணா தான்
இல்ல
உங்களுக்கு அந்த லைவ் ட்ரேடிங்
இல்ல கரெக்ட் சார். அது தனியா வச்சிட்டா நான் சார். நீங்க போடுற மெசேஜ் எல்லாம்
ஏற்கனவே
பின்னால போயிடுது.
கரெக்ட் புரியுது. பட் 4 டெலிகிராம் சேனல் இருக்கு நமக்கு.
ஓகே ஓகே.
அது மேனேஜ் பண்றது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு, டு பி ஃப்ராங்க். அந்த ரீசனால தான் இது ஏன் நான் அதை பண்ண அப்படின்னா, ஏன்னா நான் வந்து ஆக்டிவா இருங்கன்னு சொல்றேன். ஏன்னா யாரும் இருக்க மாட்டாங்க.
கரெக்ட் சார்.
ஸோ அதுக்காக தான் சரி இது பண்ணாது பண்ணுவாங்களா அப்படிங்கிற.
இல்ல நீங்க குடுக்கறதெல்லாம் கூட மிஸ் ஆயிருது. நாங்க ஏதாவது டவுட் கேட்டேங்க அவங்க பதில் சொல்ல கூட முடியாம போயிடுறாங்க.
இல்ல இப்போ எல்லாருமே ரீசன்ட் டைம்ல தான் அதை பண்றாங்க. இதுக்கு முன்னால யாருமே ஆக்டிவா இல்லையே. ஸோ இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கண்டிஷன் போட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஆக்டிவா இருக்கிறாங்க. ஸோ கொஞ்சம் பொறுத்துக்கோங்க. உங்களை நீங்க லைவ் ட்ரேடிங் குரூப்ல இருக்கீங்களா?
ஆமா சார்
இருக்கீங்களா? அங்க நீங்க பண்ண அங்க மெயின் கான்வர்சேஷன்ஸ் எல்லாமே அங்க பாச்சு. அங்க வராது இந்த மாதிரி அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ்.
இல்ல அதுலயும் போடுறாங்க சார். அதுலயும் போடுறாங்க, அதுலயும் போடுறாங்க.
ஓகே. சரி, ரொம்ப ஆர்வமா இருக்காங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே.
Thank you sir.
We have a lot of communities, you know, it is really difficult. You know, already admins are really frustrated. You know, yeah, so many communities. We have a SMTA, we have a funded traders club, we have a live trading community, and if we create one more community, no, it will be creating a lot of problem. Okay, so அது கொஞ்சம் பொறுத்துக்கோங்க. Manage it for time being. Now this assignments you can share in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you don't need to share in the Telegram. And this is you don't need to share, what do you call it? You don't need to share with me. You can do it, guys. You can do by yourself. It is not like that. You don't need to be show me that you are doing it, because in a workshop, you came here to learn the business, because you are going to do the business, you are going to make money. Now there is an interesting quote from the Mukesh Ambani, when he completed his masters in Stanford, he came to India and he asked his father Dhirubhai Ambani that what should I do, and he immediately said, Dhirubhai Ambani said that you should not ask what should you do, because you are not my employee. Employees used to ask what should I do, what is my work, right? You are going to take care of the business, so you should find what is the problem with this business, how can I improve. So you don't need to show me the what do you call, the assignments and all. You don't need me ask me whether it is correct or not. You don't need me, like, for the sake of satisfying me, you don't need to do this. Okay, you do it for because you are going to do this business for a lifelong. So for that, you are taking a step ahead and you are doing it by your own. You don't need to share me. You can make a note, Excel sheet, you can save it over there. If someday, if anybody asks, maybe you can share with them. Okay, but now why we are asking people to do it, because I want people to active in the group. That's the only reason. Earlier I was not like this. Earlier I have given so much of freedom, so that's the reason people are not growing, or there's someone who should be like choke the neck, right? Only then people will be reacting. So that's the reason. That's the main reason I'm asking these assignments and all. But you you do it, and by doing it, no, you will be learning. So that is an important. Not for satisfying me, don't do it. Okay. So mark again, breakup structure in only breakup structure in. Let's take a. I'm on a specific here. Mark swing break. Okay, swing break, swing point BOS. I mean swing point break. Wherever swing break means nothing but this is swing point, right? The swing point broken. This is swing point broken. Where else we have swing point? Swing point broken, swing point broken, swing point broken. This is called swing break. Okay, swing point broken, swing point broken. Okay, swing point broken, swing point broken. Okay, so something like that. Swing point break of structure that you can mark. So in maybe like let's say 3 minutes chart. 3 minute chart, because you will get lot of break of structures. That's the reason. 3 minute chart of, let's do this like USD Canadian dollar, GBP JPY, and let's take GBP Euro, or maybe AUD US dollar. Okay, very simple. So do this as many as possible. You can do this. Now it is not mandatory for everyone to do this. If you really want to do this, you can do it. Okay, so you are the one. You are going to find the loophole of your business, and you are going to sort out the business. You are not an employee. Think like a businessman. Okay, to sort out the business, first you need to learn the business. To learn, this is going to be a first step. All right, so let me. So we'll connect once again, maybe in the Friday evening. And please be active in the Telegram. Ask questions with the people. You ask question, because I can see only few people are actively involved in the Telegram. I'm sorry to say that. Why we all added you in the Telegram? No, because you are complete new, and so that's the reason. 1 month I will see. If you are not actively involved in the live trading sessions or live group, I will remove you guys. Okay, without mercy, I will remove it. Then I will expect you to prove yourself. then afterward I'll add you guys. Okay, I'm telling this openly because the rules will be applicable for everyone. Because a lot of experienced trader also they have did the assignment and came. I want to tell you something. One of my relative is my student. One of my relative is my student, and he is very close related to me. It's like in-law to me. Okay, I have not added him into the live trading group. I have not added him because he has not completed the assignment. He called me several times. I have not added. Okay, he's my in-law. Is my maternal uncle's son, and he's same age to me. Okay, I have not added him, and I told him that you prove to myself, then I will add you. I'm a little bit harsher than you guys with him because I have a right to uh, I have a right to scold him, right? Because he's my in-law. I have not added him. Okay, so this is the same treatment I'll be giving to you guys also. So don't mistake me. Don't feel like that I'm acting like a school teacher. Because in school days we did very well. School days, 10th grade, 12th grade, we did very well. But when we come to the college, we become a donkey. We are not doing anything. You just go through your college days. In school days, everybody expecting you to perform, right? Your tuition teacher, your class teacher, your parents, your relatives, everybody putting pressure. How much is the mark? How much is the score? Right? They'll be expecting a lot of from you. That will be pressure because you need to score good mark, only then you'll get the medical seat or law seat or whatever, or college seats, right? So you had the pressure, you have the clear vision. I need to score this much mark. I have to study this subject. I need to go to the tuition. I need to go to the improve my mathematics, physics tuition, chemistry tuition, right? We went all those things. But when we went to the college, what happened? Everything is completely changed. Why? Because professors don't care whether you are doing or whether you are studying or not. They don't care about you. Okay, so you make some marks and you passed out. You got the job, and you got that in the comfort zone. Now you are once again you need to go to the school days. Once again you need to go to the school days. Once again you need to bring back that focus. So for that I have to be little bit strict. That's the only reason. Okay, that's the only reason. So that's the reason I'm telling you guys to involve, active, engage. If you are not involving, after 1 month I will definitely remove you. Then you need to prove yourself like other people's. They are sharing the assignments and everything, right? After that I will add you guys. After that I will see you, and if you are not actively involved, again I will remove you. Okay, so this is maybe give you some what do you call discipline to attend every session and to practice the market. So it's only for your growth. I'm not gonna get anything out of it, to be frank. But for only for your growth, we are doing this. So please cooperate. All right, guys. So you can do this. If you want, you can do this. If you don't want, you can do. You don't need to do this. Whether you are doing it or not doing it, you don't need to share it with me. Okay, that is completely your choice. You can share or you can avoid. You can keep a note of somewhere. So that is going to help you in the long run. Okay. All right. So thank you so much.
Sir,
Yeah.
I want to talk to you for 5 minutes.
Yes.
Actually, sir, as earlier I have told you that I've been worked with that TPO chart,
Okay.
time price opportunity,
Mm-hmm.
and I was under the impression with this boot camp that those things uh, is not really working, TPO and all. But
Mm-hmm. Okay.
today,
Mm-hmm.
in starting, I have seen that the red marking, that horizontal line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, in that TPO, we call that yes, this is a point of control,
Yes.
TPO
Point
point
of
of
point of
control.
control. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So should I continue with this? Means I have to work a lot in this.
Uh,
So
so to be frank, I still feel that for a forex market it is useless. I still have that feeling. Why? Because in forex market we have a n number of exchanges. So the data you are getting from the particular exchange, that may not match with your trading view or with your broker. So in forex market, no, I personally feel like that it's not much necessary, but however, it may give you some confidence. So that's the reason, that's the only reason at particular level you're going to take a trade now. So when you're going to take a trade now, you have some 5 different confirmations now that are going to give you confidence. That is the only purpose I'm telling you to use this. But if you ask me, in stock market, of course you can go with this.
Sir,
Definitely.
but in a stock market, I've been using from this since 7 months.
Okay.
And with order flow, there is a limit buyer and market seller.
Mm-hmm.
So for those, they hit those limit seller.
Mm-hmm.
When the market quantity is high, market just crossed that price
Mm-hmm.
and went above or went below.
Mm-hmm.
But what happened now, sir? Suppose in Bank Nifty future,
Mm-hmm.
there is a 6,000 lot in single price.
Mm-hmm.
After that, they again broke that level.
Okay. Okay.
So in the software webinar, they said that this is a absorption market will not went below or above from this level.
Mm-hmm.
So at that point, there is earlier in
Mm-hmm.
first class,
Mm-hmm.
I have asked for this WBW, and with your old student, I have interacted with him. He
Mm-hmm.
introduced me to you.
Okay. Okay.
So, and he was with me in another webinar. So
Okay.
we are
Okay.
practicing along
Mm-hmm.
with this in Bank Nifty.
Mm-hmm.
It is my belief that we should left this order flow
Mm-hmm.
and only focus with WBW,
Yeah.
because yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
WBW,
Mm-hmm.
if without a confirmation there is I'm seeing absorption on that area,
Mm-hmm.
I take trade. Today I took two or three trades.
Okay.
One did not hit my expectation 1/5,
Mm-hmm.
but after that, the second time I got in 15 after 15 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
that level tested, and again it is not able to broke that POC, point of control over there,
Okay.
and they means institutional trader, they just created their WBW. I
Mm-hmm.
just saw that and I took 10 shots and
Okay.
it went 1/5 today.
Okay. Understand. I can totally understand that, because the point here is no, uh, why I talk about this, maybe for a combination. Okay, nothing like like we are using moving average, that indicator, this indicator. No, everything is combination with the smart money strategy. So we are of course we need to stick with the strategy, main strategy, with a combination to improve the confidence only. Okay, anyways, thanks for your feedback, because that may help other people's also.
I
uh,
have 6 months left with Quantower software.
okay.
So that is why I'm asking, should I bought a
No, no,
data
no.
connection
See.
for future?
To be frank, sir, I'm telling you this. I'm not, I'm not expert in the market profile. I have used it in the back then, in the what do you call, in the Bell TPO software. I have used back then, 3 to 4 years before. I mean, I was the one of the user. So whatever the instruction we are getting from our team lead is okay. So based on that only we'll be taking a trade, even though software whatever says. So the thing here, no, if you are like into that part, like software, shall I use this? People will be like always ask this question. Market profile is better. I had a heated conversation with one guy from Chennai. He is using there is a software called Visual something. It's all starting
Yeah,
with
yeah,
V.
boot visual.
Yeah, he was arguing with me that it is very powerful. You don't need to use smart money strategies. So we had some conversations, but of course it was a healthy conversation, heated conversation. Finally, I came to the conclusion that okay, both WPW as well as the software kind of synchronizing most of the times, like 90% of time. If WPW, wherever WPW created, the point of control also will be there in that same level. So most of the time it is synchronizing. So that is the experience I had. That's why I recommended. But purchasing, in my personal opinion, it is not necessary if you are only going to trade forex market. Forex market, don't purchase. But if you are okay with stock, the what do you call, the options trading and stock market, that is your choice. I'm not recommending. Buying it or not buying it is completely your choice. But if you are going to trade forex market, if you are going to looking for buy this, I will say no, don't buy this. Forex market, don't buy this software. Instead, you can use this free version. This is more than enough. But stock market, you may buy if you want. Okay, so I'm again, I don't have a much experience of using this market profile tools, but based on the knowledge which I gather from other traders, and of course from the fund management thing. So based on that only, I'm telling it is okay. It's good software. You can try instead of purchasing algos, right? Many people will be buying algos. Indicators also people will be buying. Instead of doing that, you can purchase this subscription services if you want. So choice is yours. Which market you are going to trade, according to that you can decide. If you are mainly going to focus the stock market, maybe you can buy. But if you are comfortable with the WBWO, you can stick with that, right? You don't need to use anything.
Yes, yes, absolutely, sir. And one more thing I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
If I have something like doubt or something about this software, so I can ask you with this, or should I just avoid it?
About the TPOs you are asking.
Yes, if I have some discovery I wanted to share, I will
You
share
can
with you.
share with me. Honestly
Okay.
speaking, I'm not expert in the TPOs. Okay, I'm not. Maybe I have maybe some 10% knowledge with the TPOs. I'm not expert on this. If you found something interesting, maybe you can share with me. Maybe we can help the people community, right? So
Okay.
I'm not the best person to explain, clarify your doubts. I'm just a beginner level in the TPOs, to be frank.
You have talked about the time aspects,
Yeah.
and I have caught there that. Uh, have you ever heard about that Michael? Sorry, Stadelmeyer.
Sorry, Michael.
Not Michael, Stadelmeyer.
I'm not
Peter
sure.
Stadelmeyer. That time concept, he is the author, and
Okay.
the TPO concept, Jim Dalton has
Dalton. Yes, yes.
popularized.
I remember. I think I have.
But
Yeah.
if you want to learn actually a time aspect, you
Mm-hmm.
should find Michael. Sorry, not Michael. That Peter Stadelmeyer book.
Okay.
He has. I'm reading it,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not got completed, so I'm not have a lot of insight about it
Okay.
right now. But
Okay.
in 2 or 3 months, I will tell you
Okay.
about the time aspect.
Can you please type it out his name in the chat box?
Yes, I'll message you directly in
Sure.
our group.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Great. But I was going through the WD GAN because GAN was the master of time cycles. But
Gyan, I have left it because lot of mixed signals, sir.
uh,
Frankly speaking, lot of mixed signals.
yeah.
And that channel theory he has there over it, and I have not tested in this forex market because
Okay.
see, only it has been a month in forex market,
Okay.
but 7 to 8 months in a Nifty and Bank Nifty.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
And I am very familiar with chart. That is why I caught up this so far.
Oh, okay.
Otherwise, I would have a disaster for this. कि इतना सारा हो गया कैसे करूँगा?
Agree. Understand. Okay. Anyways, you send me that. Send the name. I will also try to
Uh,
read.
okay.
Okay.
I'll that is a what I can say a PDF material. I send you directly in the Telegram. Okay?
Oh,
One
great.
to one chat.
Is there
Okay.
any physical copy books available?
Physical copy maybe it's 46,000. You don't need to
Oh,
I'll message you. Don't worry.
sure.
I'll
Okay.
message you.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Abdul. Sir, when we will get the 3-month roadmap, 3-month roadmap? I'm working on it. I will share it very soon. Okay. So let me tell you first month plan. Okay. Let me tell you
Okay.
the first month plan to everyone. First month you need to close your eyes. Mark the WBW breakoff structure. Trade like crazy. That's it. Every beginner, experienced trader, of course, you would have, you know about the market. First 1 month, you need to do crazy trades. I mean, in a demo account, not in a real account. Don't do it in a real account. Open the demo account with a trading view or MT4, MT5, whatever, or with any broker, or with even with a funding platform competitions. Okay, mark the WBW level, swing levels, break of structure level, whatever, right? Sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. Do it, do it, do it. One day you need to take at least 5 trades. At least 5 trades, maximum 20, 30 trades also you can take. Any time frame, 15 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 hour daily chart. You have to do crazily. Crazily, like you have to do like that. 1 month you need to do that. Like this. This is a trading, what do you call it? This is a trading view, right? So what is it? Let's say this is a swing point. Right, I'm gonna sell. Click sell button. Sorry, paper trading. Let's go here. Click sell button. Sell. Boom. Sold. Right. And this is the buying level. Let's say buying level. Put some buy entry here. Advanced entry. Sell level. When it is reached, sell. Buy. Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. Take another currency. USD CAD. 1 month you need to do this. I have a swing point here. Great. Let's buy. Click buy button. Buy. What? Put stop loss and everything. Target here. Let's say target. Stop loss. Crazily. I mean, I'm here doing without any analysis, but you need to analyze and you need to buy sell without fear. Why I'm telling you, no? Last year, January month, one student approached me and he told me this. Last year, not last year to previous year, January month. He called me, he told me that, sir, you taught me the strategy and everything. You told me to practice in the demo account. But when I opened in the demo account, if I make a profit, no, I feel happy. And if I make a loss, I feel really sad, and I don't want to continue. Whenever that setup fails, no, I don't want to continue. He told me this, and I really shocked. Why? Because it's a demo account. In the demo account, when he make a profit, he's happy. Now, what is the point in happying in the demo account? Are you going to get any withdrawal in the demo account? No, but he was really happy, and he was, most of us like that only. Most of us. In the demo account, when we practice, no, when we make profit, we feel happy and wow, I made a profit, great profit. Let's open the real account, let's deposit the money, let's trade, and we'll make losses. Why? Because it is not because of the strategy, it's because of how you are perceiving the strategy. When you see the strategy working, no, your brain cells creating the new memory in your brain, saying that, oh, this strategy is very powerful and this definitely it is going to give you the profit. It's creating. When the strategy fails, the new cell is created in your brain, new neuron is created in your brain, or new memory is created in your brain. It says that strategy is waste, it's not gonna work. Okay, now whenever you approach with the strategy, you will definitely fail with that new memory. So that is the reason I'm telling you guys, when you practice in the demo account, don't attach yourself with the results. First 1 month, oh, buy, sell, okay, it's given profit, okay, great. Oh, it's given loss, okay, great. Bring that thought process. Don't think like that, oh, it is failed. Whenever I put no, it is failing, it is not working for me. If you keep on says that, no, that creates a new memory in your brain, and whenever you try, you will fail. Definitely will fail. You will definitely 100% fail. That's the reason I'm saying, we marked this right now. Swing point we marked, market touched, and now it is going up, it is working. Right? Okay, good. It's working. Let's take another trade. Next trade is fails. Okay, it's failed. Okay, no problem. It's failed because it's part of the business. In business, you will be making profit, we will be making loss. That is what it's called business. Business means you will definitely lose money also. You will never always, we will not be always in profit. You will be making losses also. So those who can able to accept the losses, no, only they can able to grow. Even if you are not ready to accept the loss in a demo account, you will never grow up. So that's the reason, first 1 month, forget everything. Two things you need to remember: WBW or breakup structure, or touched, alright, 5 minutes, 5 minutes swing point, or broken, touched, sell entry, buy entry. That's it. Your job is just doing the job. Don't expect the result. Don't focus the result. Just do the job. 1:1.5, great. Achieved, good. Failed, good. Made a profit, good. Made a loss, good. That's how you need to train your brain for 1 month. Crazily trade. Don't worry about the profits and losses in the demo account. If you develop that pattern in the demo account, it will be carry forward easily into the real account also. So once you don't care about profit and loss in the real account, you will definitely make a profit. Trust my words. Many people not able to make a profit because they attached to the profit. If you remove the attachment from your brain or from your heart, you will definitely make money. Mark my words. Okay, so for that 1 month, trade like crazy. Now it is coming down. Don't get fear. Sir, I bought here, sir. Now it is coming down, sir. What should I do? Let this hit the stop loss. You are not going to lose anything from your bank account. This 40 cents, are you going to lose from your wallet? It is going to gone magically? No, right? So it is give the profit means, oh, you are making $10. It is going to come to your bank account? No, because it's a demo account. Okay, it's a demo account. Your idea here is, okay, I'm testing my strategy. I'm buying here. How long it goes? Oh, 1:1.5. Great. Oh, 1:1.5. Every time when you see 1:1.5, wow, 1:1.5, it's working. 1:1.5, it's working. It's working. It's working. Strategy is working. At least giving me 1:1.5. Let's now try with the real account. Don't worry about the profit and loss. Focus. Okay, first 1 month you need to do this. Second month, third month plan, I'll give you guys. If you guys are really want plan immediately, I'll give you the previous plan, which is I'm planning to modify a little bit. So I'm sharing with you guys. If you want, you can go through it, but I will make a separate video on that. Maybe I will give you the complete trading plan once again. Currently I'm working on this. Okay, so I'm trading complete trading plan. This is currently a prototype. This is still prototype. So I will share the, okay, I'm sharing right now. This is the old plan or I can say prototype. I'm currently working on with the different things, simplify the things, because strategy we made a little bit change in the strategy. So considering those things, we need to redefine the things. Okay, so maybe you can use it for right now. Later we will I will share you the detailed report. Okay, so thank you so much for participating. Officially, the bootcamp is already completed. I mean, the classes are already completed, but we will connect once again, twice. To be frank, we're going to connect in a revision session also, and of course we are going to connect in the live trading sessions every week. So community, please participate, please engage. We will learn many things. Okay, many things in the coming days. All right, so thank you so much for your participation. We'll connect you guys a day after tomorrow for sure. If possible, tomorrow also we will connect. Okay, so I will share you possibly by end of today or maybe tomorrow morning. I'll share this recording. Okay, you can go through it. All right, guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a great day. Good night. I'm just stopping the recording, and we'll meet you guys in the day after tomorrow live trading session. Bye everyone. Good night.